Encountering a specified logon session does not exist error? Stay calm. In just 10 seconds, I'll guide you through quick fixes to resolve this issue smoothly. Press Win plus X keys on your keyboard. Select Settings. Select Accounts option. Select Sign In options, and follow the on-screen instructions for setting up a new PIN number. Check to see if the issue persists after using the PIN to log in. Press Win plus R keys on your keyboard. Type gpedit.msc. Hit Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, Security Options. Inside the Policy tab, right-click Network Access. Do not allow storage of passwords and credentials for network authentication. Select Properties. Click Disabled. Click OK. Restart your PC and check to see if this fixes the issue. Click on Cortana search bar. Type in Credential Manager. Select Credential Manager Control Panel. Select Windows Credentials. Find the NAS device that you've had issues connecting to and delete the entry. In my case, there are no NAS devices set up, but you will be able to find it in the indicated space below. Create a new Windows credential value and insert your credentials in as follows: Internet or network address, .server name. Replace with the NetBIOS name of your cloud station or use IP. Username, server name, username. Replace with NetBIOS name and the username you are connecting with. Password, leave blank.